In the last video, we completed shear force and bending moment definitions and sign conventions and what is a SFD and BMD, shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. Today, we are going to see that some types of conditions for a relative of cantilever and simply supported and overhanging beam. And let us discuss about the cantilever, which is some conditions. The conditions are subjected to point load and subjected to UDL load. There are two conditions for every each and beam, so that we are going to derive the equations for both the point load and a UDL and acting on the beam of cantilever and simply supported beam. Today we are going to see only point load and UDL load of cantilever beam. Here a cantilever beam is subject to a point load at the free end. Here it is a free end of W, which is in the kilonewtons, and the span of the cantilever is L meters, L in meters. So that we are going to derive here RA. We don't have any RB here. In the last two videos, we completed how to find the reactions RA. Here is the same procedure. Here upwards is equal to downwards. That is equal to, here upwards only one reaction, that is RA. RA is equal to, and downward one is only W kilonewtons. Here we are having only RA. There is no RB. And next we are going to have a fixed moment, that MA. That we are going to find this is RA, and here what is the diagram for this? Here it is RA. This is RA. How are we going to draw the diagram of shear force diagram? Here it is RA. Here it is 0 and it is 0. This is a free body diagram for the shear force and bending moment. You have to draw a dotted line here and here also. For the convenience, I have drawn a straight line, but you have to draw a dotted line. And here we are going to have a kilonewton in the positive direction, that is positive. As we know that earlier, this is in the trigonometry, in the coordinate reactions, or you can find this. This is in the positive direction and this is in the negative direction. In the same way, I am going to consider this is my ordinate. This is my ordinate 0, and I am having a positive W. I am going with positive W with as ordinate as y-axis, and I am moving like this. I am moving with a straight line because there is no load in between here, so that I am moving a straight line and getting down by downward reaction, that is negative, so that it gains to 0. Positive W, downwards it will become negative, so that it gains with it 0. We are going to see that what is the calculation for this, how we get a positive hit here, and with going with up to with a thing that let us think that this is B, from A to B, and it going to downwards. We are going to see in detail. And here the total load is equal to, total load on beam is only W kilonewton, and only we are having only one reaction, that is RA, that is equal to W kilonewtons. Simple. Here we are going to have a procedure for doing the shear force diagram and the shear force calculations. First one, shear force calculations. Shear force calculation. We have to consider at every section and every support. I am taking the first. This is a fixed support. I am taking. Here it is my A support, or A that is fixed support. Here I am going to stand here. And I look here. I look from left side. Always I look left side. Since there is no load of, there is no support or there is no load, so that I am considering that is 0. And I just move to after the support at here and looking at the left side, and I am going to find the RA reaction is upward direction. That is upward direction I am considering as positive, and the value of RA is W kilonewtons. W. Yes, simple. And here it is I am having a load, and I am moving on the beam. Since there is no load here also, we are having a load at the free end, and I am going to stand here and looking at the left side, and I am only having that one load, that is RA reaction is in the upward direction, since up to the load which is going to act downward direction. And next I am going to stand after the load, downward load, that is W kilonewton, that is here. It is in the downward direction, so that here it is upward direction moves continuously, and suddenly a downward direction is acting W kilonewton, so that it becomes a negative direction, so that, and a positive reaction and a negative reaction becomes 2, and it again comes to 0. Here it is simple definition. Simple. We going to draw the simple diagram, and we are going to write a simple calculation here. Shear force at A. Shear force at A. I am taking just left to support A. I am considering that RA is equal to 0. I am not having any, and here RA is equal to 0, and just right to the support. RA is equal to, I am finding that upward direction is positive, and that upward direction in the how many newtons, that is how many kilonewtons, W kilonewtons. Here W kilonewtons. And next, and we let us consider this is B, and shear force at the rate of B. Shear force at the rate of B. Just left to B, I am having a W kilonewtons, so that I am going to draw a straight line, that is W kilonewtons, and just right to B, that is upward direction is positive, that is W kilonewton, and I am having that downward load of W kilonewtons on the beam which is at the free end, so that W minus W, it becomes 0, so that it gains to 0. And next, bending moment. Here this is a cantilever beam which is loaded with W kilonewton, and let us consider a section to take the moment. I am going to stand here. I am taking the moment about it. I am at the rate of, I am standing at here, so that I am taking from here to here, the moment from here, so that the moment, let us consider I am standing at X distance from free support or a free end, that is W into the distance x. The moment is equal to W into x. Moment about where the section or where I am standing, and that moment is equal to W into x. Here the maximum bending moment occurs at here only, because there is no another support, so that maximum bending moment occurs at a support, so that maximum bending moment occurs at a support, that is moment about A is equal to minus W into L. Why in negative? Because for all the cantilevers the bending moment is hogging. For all the cantilevers which is subjected to point load or UDL load or UVL load, it is only hogging. The bending moment should be in negative direction. That can be called as hogging. Such that we are going to draw the diagram. Here this is positive, and here same for the quadrant we have discussed. This is the negative directions and this is in the positive directions. In the similar way, let us think that this is the ordinate, this is a reference line for both the SFD and BMD. Here negative direction, it goes in the downward direction, that is with the newtons of kilonewton per meter, because there are W in kilonewton and length is in meters in the negative direction, so that it goes to be downward direction. And since there is no load, and it going to be a linear line which is inclined 0, that is in the negative direction, and this point is W into L. We should not mention the negative here, because already we represented in the negative coordinate or negative quadrant, so that should not mention here negative, only mention the value where it is going downward direction, W into L, and here is W kilonewton, here kilonewton into meter. Just enough. We are going to see the UDL load.